test. Okay, folks, sorry about that. This is the National Weather Service here in Nashville. We're going to be live here for the Nashville transmitter. Currently, we have a tornado warning in effect for southeastern Davidson, Murray, Rutherford, and Williamson counties until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm is located 7 miles west of Spring Hill, or 8 miles north of Columbia, moving east-northeast at 55 miles an hour. Current radar showing a line of showers and strong thunderstorms, even severe, from, say, around Cross Plains to downtown Nashville, through Franklin, through Columbia, all the way down through Collinwood in Wayne County. These storms are moving to the east-northeast at 55 miles an hour. Again, tornado warning in effect for southeastern Davidson, northeast Murray, western Rutherford, and Williamson counties until 8:30 p.m. Current radar synopsis showing a lot of storms in front of the cold front moving to the east-northeast. The storms along the front are just marginal right now, but the main threat is in the central part of Middle Tennessee, ranging from Sumner County to Davidson to Williamson to Murray to Lewis, Lawrence, and Wayne counties. Current temperature right now is 67 degrees. Along this line of storms from Sumner to Davidson to Williamson to Murray to Lewis, Lawrence, and Wayne counties, you can expect winds of 60 to 80 miles an hour. These winds are strong enough to cause enough damage as a small tornado.